Here's how you can upgrade from plan number 1 to plan number 2. Once you're logged in, hover over the top right corner, and from here, you can select Manage your subscription from the drop-down menu. It will take you to the settings page. This is where you can select which kind of plan you want to have. Right now you have the plan, which is basic and free. This plan allows you to only compare the prices. However, if you click here to update now and continue with the premium plan, you'll be able to upgrade. And here you can add the promo code if you have any. Once you have added the code and applied, you can hit confirm. Now you are a premium member and you can see the billing history you have and transaction details. And you can also update your information, billing information, or add other payment method if you want. Once you're happy with the settings and everything, you can either click here to go back to the website or you can select Return to retire on my budget. It will take you back to the website. Now, you can go to the compare page again. Earlier, you could only compare the prices and see the difference in the cost of living. And now, with the plan 2, you are able to compare the healthcare, the crime rate, pollution, traffic, and weather.